how to enable or disable fixed dialing numbers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on here click on Phone app and click on this three dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in call settings, scroll down, scroll down and click on supplementary service. After click on supplementary service and you will see after the process you will see last option is fixed dialing numbers. Click on fixed dialing numbers. So you will see FDN is here. If you want to enable or disable fixed dialing numbers, click on FDN and enter your PIN. After enter PIN, you will see showing FND is enabled and fixed dialing number is enabled. If you want to disable fixed dialing number, click on FDN and change PIN. You will see fixed dialing number is disabled. You will enable or disable fixed dialing number from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable fixed dialing number on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.